In our previous video, we only had 2 fasteners to deal with, so we manually typed them in, but with 26 we want to be a little bit more efficient. So what we're going to do is use Excel-based editing techniques to move forward with this. So in our socket head cap screws, our first task, which is very parallel to what we did in the first video, is we've narrowed it down to the sizes and lengths that we really want. So you'll notice that we have 5 sizes and lengths, 5 sizes, a few lengths for each one. But no information. We're going to go into the Toolbox configuration tool, and you're going to notice that when we hit length, you'll see that all the lengths for all those sizes are still in play. We're only going to want to edit the ones in our list. So we're going to highlight in the table below lines 1 through 26. So shift, select, we're going to export that data. Let's open it up in Excel. And we only see the lines that we exported. If we didn't do that control selection, we'd have many more. So the bin numbers that we want to add were sequential. One of the things you might have noticed in the data, though, the first 2 lines are upside down. The smaller one is on the bottom, the bigger one on the top. So what we're going to do here is manually type these in. And in reality, we should have probably fixed our data, our initial data, so that it would map here. Again, it goes from smallest size, shortest length, all the way around. Here you notice the first 2 are upside down. So we'll copy and paste the part numbers, and because of the editing on top, we're going to manually change these. Let's go back and get the description column. Paste it here. Again, a little bit of manually editing. With the descriptions updated correctly, we save it off, save our changes. We go back to the configuration tool and we import our edits. We now have descriptions, part numbers, and our bin numbers. And we're ready to fly. All the information is automatically brought into the toolbox. All users have to do is pick their size and their length, and all the other information propagates through. Now, since we added bin numbers, we might want to come back and say, you know, the description is really concatenated with a description and a bin number. You'll notice here that we removed the MB226, and we did that just using Excel, a replace function. We found the semicolon and removed everything after the semicolon. So the formulas in Excel, very helpful for doing this type of work. With the formula in play, it's just Excel, copying the formula to the other ones. And to truly get our descriptions correct, we would just copy it back in and place it.